Hey yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Quartet back with another video, and today guys, in this video we're gonna review the VM50 condenser microphone. Now this video was sponsored by VeGue. They are the one that sent over this microphone, so it's kind of a review and an unboxing in the video, in this one video. So we're gonna test the audio of this microphone and review it and also unbox it, obviously. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it.
Smash.
So anyways guys, let's get into this video. Alright, so first we have this right here. This is how the microphone looks in the box. It also comes with this USB-C port here. It have different outlets and so on. We're gonna figure out which one of these outlets to use later down in the video, but for now, you know, this is a USB-C port. This is the microphone. You can also see that it is coming from the company that sponsored this video, VeGue. You can see it right there. It also have here a made in China, if you guys can see it, you know. So I mean, it's pretty amazing. It looks quality. You have the volume rocker right here, the up and down, you know. Here we also have two ports right here. I think one is for earphone and one is for this to get in. So whenever you're recording, you can have your earphone on your head and hearing yourself, you know. So this is how this operates. Fit this in like this, and then you just connect this to your computer or whatever outlet you're using to record from. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna test out this audio and see how good is this condenser microphone. Should you guys actually buy it, I'll let you know in further testing, and we'll also leave a link to this microphone in the description. So anyways y'all, let's get onto this computer. Let's test out this microphone and see the quality and the audio of this microphone. So let's get into testing. Alright y'all, after plugging this condenser microphone into my computer, I actually see the VeGue, this microphone that came from VeGue. I actually seen it actually lights up. I actually see the light in this microphone into the company's brand, VeGue VM50. So right here and now, this microphone is having me away, you know. I like the quality of it, you know. It actually lights. This is the first microphone that I've seen with the light actually in it when you plug in it. So this is actually cool. This is a plus for me. Alright, so right now we're currently using the VeGue microphone on my computer. We're actually using OBS to record this audio. So this is the audio from this VeGue microphone. This audio is the bomb. I can also turn up this audio. Let me turn it up for you all. Now this is how it sounds. Let me turn it down back. Yeah, so this is how the audio actually sound from this microphone. I encourage y'all to get this microphone, this VeGue microphone. I'll leave the link to this in the description, so make sure y'all go over there and get it. You know, this VeGue VM50 microphone. This is the audio from it. This is raw audio. Nothing has been edited. This is just plug into the computer and talking. So this is the audio from it. I'm gonna turn this up to the max to hear the maximum of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, this sounds like it has about 8 volumes, both up and down. So far the audio on this is pretty much amazing. This microphone is the bomb. I really love it. I encourage you guys to get it. The link will be in the description. This audio is raw footage, has not been edited, just plug into the computer. So hopefully it sounds good to you guys, but this is the bomb for me. I would definitely get it. The link for this will be in the description, so make sure y'all go over there and get it. So anyways y'all, we've come to the end of our video for today. If you guys like this video, please let me know down in the comment section. Let me know what are your favorite thoughts on this microphone. I would definitely buy this microphone. As you guys can hear this clean quality, as you guys could hear the clean quality coming from this microphone, I would definitely purchase it. I'll leave the link to this microphone down in the description, so make sure y'all go over there and get it one for yourself. This is actually amazing. I love it. I'm in love with this microphone. Thanks VeGue for sponsoring this video and to send over this microphone. Really appreciate it. So anyways y'all, before we go, as I normally said, have no rest until you're the best. It's me, your boy Corey Tech. Peace out.